Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you this super easy, soft halo eye makeup look. And I will be playing with a very inexpensive eyeshadow, which is only €2. So we're just going to get started. The first thing I want to do is prime the eyelids. Like always, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre, which is my personal favorite primer. So I'm going to blend this all over the eyelid. And this will remove the redness from the lid and leave me with a nice clean canvas for my eyeshadow. But also it's going to make the eyeshadow more long lasting and more vibrant. Then I went in with a brow gel. If you want to know how I do my brows, I will link it down in the description bar. I will be playing with this eyeshadow, which is from Essence, and we all know Essence Cosmetics has very inexpensive makeup, and they just recently launched these eyeshadows which are only €2, so inexpensive. So in my previous video I also used it, and now I'm going to use it again, but this time the brown version. So I'm going to start with the matte shade, and I'm going to blend this in the inner corner area of my eyelids, and then after that, I'm also going to blend it in the outer corner. So I want most of this eyeshadow to be like an inner corner and the outer corner. Then in the center, I'm going to apply the lightest shade, the shimmer shade that comes in the palette. And this is what's going to create a halo effect. So for anyone who has never created a halo eye look, or maybe you're new into makeup and you don't know what the term halo eye makeup means. A halo eye look is basically an eyeshadow look where the center of the eyelid is very bright, which gives that halo effect. So in order to achieve this, you want to make sure that the outer portions are like dark. So it emphasizes the center, which is going to be lighter. So that's why I'm going in with this shade like in the inner corner and the outer corner. Then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm also blending it a little bit more towards the crease, but it's not like totally necessary. You don't have to do this, but I personally like it. It just, I don't know, it just makes everything a little bit more suited together. Then now I'm going to go in with that shimmery color, which is going to be in the center. This is a soft halo eye look, so you can definitely do this way more dramatic by almost going like white in the center of the eyelid. I have a few videos. I will link a playlist in the description bar with all my halo eye look tutorials. I have created a lot. Some are really soft, some are very dramatic, but today is more like a softer version, so it's not going to be super dramatic, but still like focusing with that bright light shade like right in the center. If you want your eyeshadow to be a little bit more like pigmented, a little bit more bright, you can wet your brush with some setting spray or some water, and this will intensify the eyeshadow. Now for my waterline, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Super Nude Duo Pencil, and I'm taking the matte side, which is this light color. I really like this pencil. I've been using it quite a lot, and it's also getting very tiny, so I need to get a new one. But yeah, I really like it. Then with that same matte color which I used earlier, I'm gonna blend this now underneath the lower lash line, again at the like beginning part and at the outer part, and then at the center I'm not gonna apply any of this eyeshadow. I want it to stay empty, this area, if that makes sense. Then now for the center part, I want to go in with that same color as I used for the eyelids. So we also get that kind of like soft halo effect underneath the lower lash line. I do have to say it's not going to be that obvious because you will go in with mascara. So you're not going to see a lot of it. With some more dramatic looks that I've created, you can see it a bit better. But like I said, this is more like a softer halo eye look, so it's going to be very subtle. Then now I'm going to curl the lashes because it's time for mascara already. We're going to go very quick today. It's going to be a super easy, quick eye look for you guys to recreate. So going in with mascara, I'm taking the Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras. I'm not going to apply too much on the upper lashes because I will go in with false lashes, and I'm taking the House of Lashes Iconic Demi Lashes, which are actually new lashes they recently launched, and these are super pretty. These are actually half lashes, even though I feel like they look quite like normal lashes. But they're so stunning. Absolutely love it. And I think they actually suit really well with today's eye look. So yeah, this is the final result, the soft halo eye look using a super affordable eyeshadow. I hope you guys like this look. Let me know if you want more soft halo eye looks on my channel, or if you want to see a more dramatic look next. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching this video, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!